Hi, it's Kiffin Bates here, and today I thought I would talk a bit about cold calling on LinkedIn. Now, obviously, they're not calling you, they're leaving you in mail or asking to connect with you, and then the first contact that you get is an offer for web design services or search engine optimization, or if you can partner together and they can do some development for you for your project. So, obviously, these companies out there are desperately looking for work. I just find it bemusing that in this day and age they would use that kind of approach. I can almost understand email spam back in the day because you could target hundreds of thousands of people very, very cheaply, and I guess the success rates only needed to be 1 in 10,000, and it was worth it. But when it comes to LinkedIn, it strikes me that there must be a bit more effort involved, even if it is just copy paste standard message across. But I've certainly never taken any company up on these kind of offers, and I really wonder what the success rates actually are. Now, I do have a bit of sympathy for them. About a year and a half ago, I spent a couple of weeks not making cold calls, but I guess they were lukewarm calls, calls to people in companies where I'd met other people from the company at trade shows or conferences to see if they had a need for blockchain projects. And I really quit after 2 weeks because the whole thing seemed kind of pointless. You don't just strike up a business relationship through a 15-minute phone conversation. The odds of you having what they really need at just the right point are so astronomically low. It's a massive waste of effort and time. So personally, I don't understand why they don't just try and create something of value for people. If there's a site where I can read interesting stuff about new security problems in websites, or where I can get some insight into a particular technology, and it happens that they offer an extra service on the side, then I would be much, much more likely to actually use them. So this blanket messaging of people out of the blue seems totally pointless, and I wonder how long it's going to go on for, because I really cannot believe that it has any kind of meaningful success level. Maybe some of you guys out there know better and say, well, actually the reason why it happens is because it does work. I'd love to know, because it really bewilders me. Anyway, that's today's post on LinkedIn spam. I'm sure a lot of you have had it too, and I hope that one day it goes away and we can actually genuinely have meaningful conversations and real connections. But for now, I'm going to say goodbye and see you in the next video soon. Bye for now.